Hey friends, we can always create wonderful websites using WordPress. In this video, we are going to create a website for book publishers, authors and bookstores. And the theme that we are going to use and overview is Author. And you can see some stunning layouts coming from this theme, and I really like this theme very much due to its professional design and the presentation of content that I rarely found in other WordPress themes. So this is not a promotional video, but I like this theme very much and it can be a very perfect choice for the websites if you are targeting to create a book publisher website, bookseller or authors. So this author WordPress theme is directly suitable for the purpose of creating authors website and even book publishers bookstores. It has been developed by G5 theme. They are of course Power Elite Author at Envato Market. The theme came into existence last year and the regular updates for this theme is also going on time to time. It has got very good star rating, reviews rating from its existing users, and it is going to be a wonderful choice as it offers 12 elegant home pages. So I have already shown you some, and you can choose any of these home pages for your target website. So let us start creating a stunning website for book publisher, bookstore or authors, and we are going to overview author WordPress theme in this video. We will understand the installation process, the basic customization options, so that you may take a wise decision about buying this theme. This is not a promotional video. You have options to choose other themes as well. Alone on this channel, you can find at least 5 alternatives for this business category, and there are hundreds of themes and other resources that you can compare here on this channel. You are watching the biggest YouTube channel made for WordPress resource overview, and I believe you are going to subscribe this channel if you are coming to this channel very first time. And if you are already a subscriber, I am really thankful for being so regular on this channel and making it very popular and helpful for WordPress website. Okay, so without any further delay, we are going to start the installation of this author WordPress theme, which is a dedicated theme for authors and publishers. As always, I am ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress, which is using the default WordPress theme 2024, and I am using this shared hosting plan, that is a cPanel based hosting plan that you can also avail through the video description link. It is recommended to have a WordPress optimized hosting plan, either cPanel based or hPanel based. So both of options are available at WP Themes website. All the relevant and necessary link has been given in the video description, and you can simply buy the theme once you decide through the video description link at themeforest.net just for $60. And there is an advantage to buy the theme through the link, because you can join the iCreate program for free, where you can get all the supports from a WordPress mentor in completing your website in every manner, in all aspects. So you can create a performing website with the help of WordPress mentor through live chats and all. Okay, so to begin, I'll show you the theme pack first of all. In the theme pack, I have this main theme file and the changelog. The child theme is also included, and the documentation and licensing part is also here. So we are going to use this installable theme file, which is showing 26 MB in file size. So it is a bit high, but yes, we are expecting a very good website. To begin the installation, we can simply go to the appearance section, and further we can head on the themes. Okay, so there is some error type thing. Yes, okay, my internet may be a problem. And now it is fine, and now we can proceed for adding the theme. Add new theme option is here, so we can simply click on upload theme and choose the installable theme file. That is author, or the version name may be different for you. Since I am using the latest version as on date, you might be getting an updated version depending upon the date when you are ordering the theme. And it is always important to order the theme through the video description link at ThemeForest, because you always need updated version of theme, and always check the latest release date. So how to select a perfect WordPress theme, there is a separate video on this channel on this topic. So it is really very important to choose a suitable theme. This is why I am saying you can compare other themes as well, but this particular author themes I found really very helpful and amazing for the purpose it has been created. So it can be a very good choice, but yes, you have options as well. So now the theme has been installed successfully. You can see it hardly took 5-6 seconds for me, and it all depends on the internet speed and the hosting that you are using. So we can go to the theme page, and here we have all the details, like the default theme is here, and we can check the details further. This is version 1.1.2. So now we can activate the theme. Upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality at the website. I can see 19 plugins. So this is a big number in terms of plugin. So I always recommend it to have a theme that is choosing a very less number of plugins. But if we are in fact willing to have the specific features, and the plugins are coming from the theme developer itself, so it is not a problem. So because I can see the most of the plugins that are pre-packed even, so we don't need to buy the plugins additionally, and it is supplied with the theme pack itself, and all these plugins are required, and we can be safe using these number of plugins. However, 19 plugins is really a big number. So I always recommend to have 5-6 plugin by default. But yes, here is WooCommerce and its associates, so it can be good in terms of number of plugins. So it doesn't matter after all if your website runs very fast, so it is fine. So what I am going to do, I will select all these 19 plugins and will try to install plugins at a single click. But yes, it may not work in certain hosting or certain setups. So in that case, just in case if it is not working, so I am even checking if it is not working or working for installing all the plugins at a single click. So I have selected all these plugins, selected install and clicked on apply. Let us see how much time actually it takes, and how successful the process is going. So I am really willing to show you all the steps that you have to follow and you may face in terms of difficulty or installation steps. So you have to follow exactly, because it is always important, it is utmost important to install the theme properly and associated plugins, so that we may get the optimal feature that we want. Yes, you can see while we continued our discussion, all the plugins has been successfully installed within few seconds only. So this is the beauty of hosting plan that we are using, and even the theme pack, of course. 19 plugins has been installed within 25-30 seconds, so within half minutes we can say, and all green marks can be seen here. So it is a very good indication that we are going to get a stable website. Again, I am back on the plugin installer screen, selecting all again, and this time I am going to activate all these plugins. So which are these plugins? So I must tell you, Author add-ons, some add-on feature at our website. Elementor is the page builder that has been used. Elementor Pro is also included in the theme pack. This is a very important thing to note. So we don't need to buy Pro licenses separately. Elementor Pro is included in the theme pack that we can directly install here. G5 blog, G5 book, G5 core, and G5 install demo, and even G5 shop are 5 plugins that has been developed by the theme developer itself, and that is supplied in pre-packed format. Ultimate bootstrap elements for Elementor, so it is going to enhance the feature of Elementor. WooCommerce is here, and the associate of 2 associates of WooCommerce. Associate means the helping add-on feature again. So YITH WooCommerce wishlist and the compare option. By default, contact form 7 always almost remains with all the themes. In-water market is also here. Event tickets, just in case if you are targeting a ticketing system. The MailChimp for configuring the mail subscription with the WordPress. Revolution slider for hero image, events calendar, and the SMTP. So all these great plugins are here. All are supplied with the theme pack, so you don't need to buy any plugin separately until you are willing to add a specific feature which is not provided in the theme. Okay, so I have selected all, again selected activate, clicking on apply. This will activate all the installed plugin. Okay, so it is again going to be complete in a single click. Yes, it is done. And we can simply come back to the dashboard screen to check whether we need any further action in terms of theme and plugin installation. This is just a welcome page of Elementor. We can come back to the dashboard. This is setup wizard. Again, we can come back to the dashboard. And here we are. At the dashboard, now I can see there are multiple links, additional links that I will definitely show you what is additional here in addition to default WordPress themes. But yes, we can take another look of this website, which is now using Author WordPress theme without any demo content. So there is no demo as of now, but theme and all plugins has been installed successfully, and that happened without any trouble. So what is the next? So we can definitely target any of these websites. So we have multiple options. So you can definitely explore the layouts through the video description link. So all these stunning layouts is only for your website project. So you can select any, and 12 plus pre-made website is really making this theme stunning, and that can be suitable for any type of website project that is related to bookstores, book publisher, book selling and all. So these are the options, and we can choose any, and we can proceed further for importing demo content. So I'm coming back to the dashboard again, and I'll find the option where we can import the demo. First of all, let us complete our website, then we can discuss the rest of the things. So the theme options, there is no demo. Under appearance, there is no demo. Under tools, okay, so still it is not here. Under settings, so I need to find actually elements. Okay, so it was really very easy to find it. So under author, this is the navigation link, author, and I can find this welcome page and install demo option here. So on the welcome page, we can get even some knowledge-based documentation, video tutorials and help desk links. But we are mainly intended to import the demo content. So it is also showing, this screen can also help us in finding all the installed plugins, and all, since we have already installed all the plugins, all these showing active here. Just in case if there is an gap or difference in your installation, so you can check all these things. So all my plugins, all 98 plugins has been successfully installed and active here. Install demo is the next thing that we can select here, and here the main demo is here, and I can see, I believe it is going to bring all the layouts. So I can read some lines. So install demo data, post page, and easiest way to set up your theme. That is fine. When you import the data, the following things might happen. All data and database upload directory will be deleted when install demo. Okay. So it is a simple procedure of importing demo content, in fact. So we can simply click on this import link, and we simply need to type install here, install, just to reconfirm that we are willing to import the demo. And now demo import processes begin, and the screen is showing everything that is going in the background. So installing post out of 553. So the progress is simply here. So it is 10 is complete, and we need to wait on this screen until it is showing any message on this, or until we are getting any complete message or similar notifications on this screen. So your due patience is required. So we are expecting a wonderful website in this process, and we can wait. Don't disturb the screen, don't hit the back button. Meanwhile, the demo content import process is going on. We can explore the layouts that we are targeting. Yes, it is really good, and randomly I am checking. So the speed is really very good, and this is our book selling store. And next is, this is the books for freshen up bookshelf. Okay, that is again, this is really amazing. Look, you can see the fast loading, the perfect in look, the description and the content and the presentation of the content is really very good. Okay, and it is really nice. So I'm sure you are going to choose any of these layouts because it is all complete and we can simply go with any of these layouts for our target website project. So this is again, okay, so by now, and internal pages we can directly use here. So like about author's page, about us, contact page, event page. This hamburger menu is also very awesome. And in another layout, this is again good. And this is also good. Again, this is wonderful. And some modern style. I like this one very much. If it is a single book landing page, so it can, okay, there are multiple books as well. Okay, so it is all good, and I'm sure and these all layouts are attracting you and your visitors are going to love your website design while you are creating a website using this author WordPress theme. Okay, really, so we can now, we can check again what is the progress here. 130 is now complete and we have to wait until 553. So again, it is going to take time. It all depends on your internet speed, the hosting that you are using, and of course, the content is big. I mean, the content size is big, so it is going to take time. Even it may take up to 10 minutes. So you can continue working on another tabs as I shown you during the import process, but don't disturb this installation screen until you are getting any message. Even it may be an error message. So I'm going to show you all the steps, so don't skip any part of this video. Be it simple. It is simple to install the themes and there are no technical knowledge required for creating WordPress website. But yes, you have to follow the exact steps. It is really very important, and I have seen in my experience, so visitors used to ask the same question that I have already shown in the video steps. So just your half hour, 30 minutes maximum, so video duration on an average on this channel, so below 30 minutes, but your 30 minutes can help you in choosing the exact theme that is matching your website requirement. So it is always important to have a suitable and updated theme through an authentic source. So you can all get here at the description of this video, and even if you are having any question, you can write directly. You can directly have a chat with the mentor without you have made any purchase. So chat is free and you can ask any question related to WordPress website here, and you are most welcome to discuss anything. But yes, select the theme that is going to make a signing project for you. Okay, so we are still waiting, and now I can say prepare to missing demo data. Okay, it is done. Hardly 3-4 minutes for me. So you can see during the discussion we kept discussing and it is complete now. Install done. It didn't took even 5 minutes, so as we expected. So it is all good, and now I'm eager to refresh this page to check our new website, and I am very much impressed with this smooth, clear installation, and I can check the home one randomly. Yes, it is here, and if we are checking the home pages, it is really all are here. So it is really very smooth and clear installation process, and we got all the page elements, everything fine here with all set of image. Okay, it is really very smooth and clear installation. So we can simply conclude that the website is going to work fine with this theme, and we can go with this theme. And now it is concluded that this theme can be a very good choice since it is coming from a power elite author. So this is the beauty of author as well. So it is really very nice working WordPress theme. Now I'm taking you to the back end again to show you rest of the things. Since we have completed our installation and we got everything, all the pages, all the elements here, and I'll simply show you we can update the database. And first of all, I'll show you the pages we have received in this demo import, which is going to give us an idea. So 52 published page that we can use directly. So you can see all pages here and all the home pages that we can use directly at our website home one to can be seen here, and you can choose any home page for your website project. Further, I have the media items. Just to show you the media items, what is the number? 224 media items that has been provided in the demo. And if we talk about the number of posts, so of course these are demo posts, but 16 posts are published. Now let us quickly explore the navigation links, what we can do with the customization. So UBE elements is just to enhance the feature of Elementor. So we can choose elements here what we want to keep active. So by default, all is active here, like accordion, banner, button, chart styles, divider, image box, icon list. So this is just enhancing the feature of Elementor, and it is really very good. And you can simply toggle on or off what you want to have at your website. More than simple. In the event section, you can completely manage the events that you want to show at your website. You can create new events, and if it is here, so we can simply go back to the event section. So these are events. If you are not using the events or not intended to use event section at your website, just remove all these demo content. So it is not recommended to keep any demo content at your live website. It is really very important. So event feature is here, so you can use anytime. Similarly, we have ticket options for selling tickets for events or the purpose you want to use. So ticketing system is also here. So all tickets can be here, and you can check the attendees, orders of tickets. Since it is a WooCommerce website, so orders can be made for tickets and all. So ticket management is here. Further, we have already seen this author page. So this is the ticketing system, and I am going to next link. This is author, and we have already seen the welcome page of this author, and this screen is giving us all the options like we used in the install demo. System check, in case if you want to check the system parameters, what is here. So like this is 40 MB in size, so showing the WP memory limit. We can simply increase the memory by editing the WP config file. I'm going to show you very quickly. Since we have all the access at our hosting, we can simply go to the file manager, respective domain that we are using, go to WP config file, open the edit, and yes, this is edit options, and we can place a line of code before that's all the stop editing, and I'm going to place this code, save the changes, and it is done. So we can simply check by refreshing this page. Yes, it is clear. So you can check the system parameters, the hosting parameters here, and it is always important to check because there should not be any red marks here. So it is all good here. Now under the author options, we have system, install demo options, font management you can do from here, and the sidebar management is also an additional thing so that you can control through this author navigation. In the theme options, we have for the controls in the general settings. So we have like back on top option, and the image load, Google Map API key, API access token, maintenance mode, page loading, 404 social share options. And the connections, social connect options can be accessed here. CSS and JavaScript for the blog and landing page settings options are here. So you can definitely explore and change the things that you want to do. Like in the landing page, header builder is here. So you can select the header preset and the page title styles and all. You can decide the authors here. So header and layout, the shop options, some options you can check, and the events. Okay, great. In the next, we have the content blocks that is going to help us in editing the header and footer area and other blocks that might be being used at your website. I mean, your selected layout as well. So you can edit the footers and header using the Elementor page builder. Like just for example, if we are using basically this is footer, not header here. So footer editing options are here, and the page title options are here. So you can simply open the footer using the Elementor and you can edit the content. So it is not like technical thing. Further, we have mega menu. So we can edit the mega menu here, and the WooCommerce and products, authors. So all authors can be seen here. So this is author's profile pages, in fact. So you can simply edit the author details here so that you want to show at your website. And even you can enable the Elementor just in case if you want to use this with Elementor. However, all the settings have been given with the simple classic editor, and you can change the things like information, the header settings, the page menu, and all the rest of the details of the author page can be edited and updated here. So again, don't keep any demo content at your website. So author that those are being shown on your website can be edited here. Further, we have payment links, analytics like WooCommerce and its features are here. In the appearance, we have the customized options and all, as in regular installations. So nothing new is here except the slider revolution part. So for the hero image area, you have to work on the slider revolution. So just select the slider that is being used at your homepage. However, no slider is being used in the current installation. So I can directly go to the website to check the edit options. Like if this is the homepage that we are going to use and there is no slider here, so we can simply start editing the content using the edit with Elementor options, and the footer landing options are already in the backend. Just start editing the content with the Elementor and remove all those content that you are not using on your live website. So it is really very important point from the SEO perspectives. And for editing the content, you can simply click on the pencil icon and start editing the content. What is most important, just use the same dimension of image, same length of text content that has been given in the demo style. Since it is a landing page, just so I can go to the any other page that is demos. Like if we are selecting this one, so I'll okay, so it is not here, so I'll open the page at our installation. In fact, okay, so the home 3, okay, so this randomly how you can edit the home 3 page randomly. So choice is always yours, whatever the demo, whichever the demo you want to use. I am willing to show the edit options. So all pages, and I'll select the home, like home 3 is here. So we can open edit with Elementor. If we are selecting home 3, you have all the choices, home 1 to home 12. So we can simply edit the content like this is here, and we can simply edit all the content that is visible to our live pages using Elementor. This is again not a technical skill. It is very simple, like you are working on the Word file. Just click on the pencil icon and the editable things will be available here. You can simply edit the content and keep in mind about the image dimensions, image sizes. It is very important. So let us set this home 3 as our home page, and finally we can conclude that all the things are working fine. So under appearance, under customize option, we can select our desired home page. So under customize, we can select the home page setting, and aesthetic page, landing page is here. So you can select your home page that you want to show. Simply click on publish and our home page is set here. So just close this and we are fine for proceeding for next process of updating the content. So home is set, everything is set. You can simply start creating an amazing website using this Author WordPress theme. I believe this video remained helpful in understanding the features of this Author WordPress theme, and you are going to use this theme for your next website project. You have options to compare other themes as elements on this channel, and if you have yet not subscribed this channel, please subscribe, because you are going to get all the stuffs here for your WordPress website that you even expected. So here is the support from iCreate, and you can again follow the video description link if you have any questions. So let us meet in the next video where in which I am coming with next resources for your website projects. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, keep reading. Thank you.